Hey guys, didn't know you guys are coming over. If I knew you guys were, I would have like set up a ring light or something. No. But if you guys are here, let's just do a room tour. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna look at is the bed. Alright you guys, so the first thing we're gonna start off with is the bed because, oh my god, I thought I broke my nail again. So the first thing we're gonna start off with is the bed because that's what a bedroom's for. They put the bed in the room. Yeah. So this is my bed. It's from IKEA. And I tend to just watch an insane amount of YouTube on here and Netflix sometimes. It's great. But yeah, I don't know where any of the stuff on the bed is from.
You're welcome.
If we go over here, you guys will see more things I don't know where it's from, but I have 3 pink little pictures. That was hard. And I printed those off at Staples, and then, wow, I do know this stuff's from. Then the frames were from Michaels, and then all this stuff I think is pretty much from Michaels, and it's like a floating... That happens way too often. T for Tatiana. I got scared. Yeah. There's a hole in the wall because of this beautiful thing, so I hope you guys like that in the video because I'll definitely be charged by my landlord for that. Love you, Jim. Then over here we have Make That Money because I'm broke, so I'm just trying to like make that money, right? But yeah, so then we have this beautiful blanket. It's really comfy. It's fuzzy, just like my pajama pants that have the Grinch on it. I really dressed up for you guys. You're welcome.
You're welcome.
This is my desk. Do I do work here? Mom and Dad, if you're watching, I do. It's from IKEA. This chair, also from IKEA. But yeah, it has great 2 drawers. Lots of amazing stuff in here. Pens for days. I've got stuff that I study with. It's great. It's kind of messy, but you know, I'm trying to be raw with you guys because exams. Insane amount of sunglasses because I'm addicted. And then I DIY'd these like makeup brush holders. I'm gonna do like some close-ups and pretend to be like a really good YouTuber. You guys will see it. I've got a picture of me because I'm self-conceited and I love myself, no one else.
You don't have any friends. Nobody likes you.
And, I'm joking. I'm a nice person. And then, if I stand up for you guys, this is my, makeup collection. If you guys watched my YouTube videos, which I'm sure you did because I have loyal fans, hashtag we're gonna figure out a name. Yeah, but, I'll link it in the bio, watch it again because views. Let's go. But I just got lots of makeup in here that I don't wear on a daily basis because I'm lazy. But I like makeup, you know? Makeup channel. Yeah, but, okay. Watch my video for that because sneak peek. Yeah. And if you guys, like, come over here, if Savannah, you do me the honors of walking for once in your life. Yeah. Stop laughing. You're being paid for this. Not actually. Behind here is like the magical thing that's a printer, which is actually broken right now and it sounds like a possessed demon when it tries to work and it's really scary. Please stop zooming in, except on my beautiful face. But yeah, this is like my nightside table. I never turn this on because it's not plugged in. And this is a cool shark that's also not plugged in right now, but it lights up and it's amazing because it's a shark. As I was saying before my battery rudely died, this is a plant from the dollar store. I spent lots of money on it, a total of $4. It really actually broke the bank. Sadly, I have no money, as I've said many times before. College. We're actually a university because we're in Canada, but I always say college. Hashtag life stories. But over here, actually today I've decided to water and give my real plants sunlight. It's like I'm an abusive plant owner. Please help these plants.
Please
Adopt them. 1-800-267. It's okay, I'm gonna take care of them. But yeah, I need to pot this one still. Not pot this one still. But these are cacti. I'm like aesthetically pleasing with my fairy lights too. Hashtag basic, hashtag aesthetically pleasing room tour, hashtag. But yeah, as I was saying before, like, my stuffed toys, but yeah, like, that doesn't really matter. Let's get on to the closet now. Alright guys, so this is my closet. It's actually pretty big, but it was always really full, but I just sent some clothes home, so you guys shall see. This is kind of like an overview. It's kind of messy, kind of not. There's a method to my madness. Clothes. Yeah. There's nothing really else to see. Like, I just got an insane amount of clothes, but yet I still decide to wear this for today's video. You're welcome, again.
You're welcome.
But yeah, this is just my clothes. I'm gonna stop talking now, but yeah. Okay. Yeah. Alright, so the last thing I'm showing you guys is just like this picture and my shoes, and I have this like little rose gold basket that just has like hats and stuff in it. The shoes are really sad right now. Because I sent them home! Stop bullying me! Alright, back to business. This is from... I'm sorry, I don't remember anything. Like, it's so bad. I have really bad memory. But not for exams! Alright, these are the only pairs of shoes I ever have owned. I'm joking, I sent home 20 pairs of shoes today. I actually have an addiction. But that is all, except behind you, there's like an IKEA mirror that you can see our beautiful videographer in it. Woo! Okay you guys, I hope you liked that video. That's the end of it. I'm gonna show some slow-mo shots after this outro is done. But yeah, just so you guys can see it actually. But I hope you guys liked that video. I feel like this is the most calm down I've been this whole time. Why are you filming me actually? But yeah, so... what was I saying? I'm sorry, it's 3 AM and I've had 4 coffees today, but you know, exam season, gotta keep the grind going! But I hope you guys like this video! Subscribe down below and comment something. Woo! Bye!
Yellow diamond ring on my fish like a pineapple, shaped like a Coke bottle, so I threw a dime at her. Shine on her, grind on her, I might wine and dine her. Buy the bitch designer, a major, they minor. Tie $sign, beach house to the trap house. She might need a chiropractor, I'ma beat her back out. Coupe, yellow watch, yellow round with Cinderella. Big booty, big bells, a Miss Lady got her shit together. Wow.
See my wrist, said it look like pineapple. Shawty super thick, but she tastes like
Are you still this and still can't find some hits?
Blood rush in the haze.